In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom invoice template in QuickBooks Online. Customizing your invoices can enhance your brand's professionalism and ensure that your billing process accurately reflects your company's identity. Let's dive right in and walk through it step by step. First, we'll start by accessing the custom form styles. Open your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the gear icon, which you'll find conveniently located in the top right corner. Click on this icon to bring up a menu. Under the Your Company column, you'll see an option labeled Custom Form Styles. Selecting this lets you dive into the customization features QuickBooks offers. Now that we're in, the next step is to create a new invoice style. Once you're on the Custom Form Styles page, you'll notice a New Style button. Click this button to start the process of building your new template. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Invoice. A text box will prompt you to give your invoice template a name. Choose a name that makes it easily identifiable for future use. This name is a helpful way to manage your templates if you decide to create multiple styles for different clients or purposes. With your new invoice style named, it's time to customize the template to fit your needs. This part is where you can really make your invoices stand out. Let's start with the design. Click on the Make Logo Edits button, and you'll see a plus sign. Click that plus sign to upload your logo directly from your computer. Your logo is often the first thing customers notice, so make sure it's clear and well placed. Next, choose colors that match your brand. You'll want these to harmonize with your company's color scheme for consistency. QuickBooks also offers a selection of fonts, so go ahead and select one that complements your branding. Finally, decide on a basic layout from the available template options for a clean and cohesive design. In the content section, you have the ability to toggle fields on and off. For instance, you might decide to include or exclude shipping details, depending on your service or product. You can also edit labels for different sections, such as the header, middle, and footer. Don't forget the footer. It's a great place to add any notes or custom information you wish to communicate, like payment terms or contact details. Next, let's personalize the email experience for your clients. Customize the subject line and body text for standard invoices and reminder emails. This makes communication professional and personal. When you're satisfied with your template design and content, it's time to save your work. Click the Done button to finalize everything. Now your new template is ready to use. You can select it the next time you generate an invoice. A pro tip here is to send a test invoice to yourself. This way, you can preview exactly how it will appear to your customers before it goes live. That wraps up our guide on creating a custom invoice template in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, you can streamline your invoicing process while reflecting your unique brand identity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create the perfect invoice template.